What's going on, guys? It's Black Widow Super, and guess what? Today is an amazing day because I am here in Rhode Island with my parents, hanging out with Amber and having a great time. And there was a deal I couldn't pass up that I had to go do. So I hope you guys enjoy this, but we are actually going to be revealing 2 cars this month. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. I promise you, all the craziness that you want is definitely coming your way. But that being said, guys, let's get to this video. Let's enjoy it. I hope you guys dig it. Let's do it. Currently, the daily driver is a 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. It's got 62,000 original miles. You know, it's given me a few problems here and there, but it's been a great truck overall. It's a lot of fun to drive. I love the Raptor. I love its aggressive styling. It's an awesome off-road toy. A lot of fun. I've taken it off-road a couple of times. I really dig it. But overall, the gas mileage is great. The truck itself is great, and it does what it needs to do. So we love the Raptor, but you know what? It might be time for a change. I don't know. Stay tuned. You'll find out. Pop, word of the day.
Kyle, no, go away.
Word of the day, Amber.
Fuck off.
All right, baby.
What?
You ready to go get the new car?
The new vehicle.
Yeah, the new car, right?
Yes.
Okay, Mom, are you ready to get the new? Mom, you got gray hair. You getting ready to get the new car?
I'm going to do errands.
Yeah, but are you ready to go get the new car? Because like we're going to go get the new car, right?
I'm dropping you off. Yes.
Yes, but we are getting a new car.
Yes.
Like a new car.
New. As opposed to new old. Or
Like
old
new. Like new. All right, so guys, we're on our way to go get our new car. Stay tuned. Hold on. That's... All right, so it's official. We're getting in the Raptor. I have to unlock the door for Amber.
You have both sets of keys.
I have both sets of keys.
Okay.
Wait, we can't tell them what we're doing.
What is the word of the day?
Fiddlesticks.
Okay. What are we going to do?
I have to go buy a new car.
Are you excited?
Huh?
Are you excited?
Yeah, actually a little bit. I think a new car is gonna be I think it's gonna be cool. I'm excited. I'm excited.
Excited.
Yeah.
It's gonna be cool.
Fingers crossed. Stay tuned. Did you get the new car?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
Raptor. Oh. Wait, why are we at Ford? Hey, Mom. Are we getting a Mustang? Are we getting a Mustang? Shelby GT500? The brand new Mustang?
If you want.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys.
You heard it.
You heard it first from Mom. If I want the Shelby GT500 that's in here, we can get the Shelby GT500. Let's go look. Oh wait, it's COVID. We gotta wear masks. So it's official.
God,
we have the new Shelby GT500 key in hand. We're about to go take delivery of our brand new Shelby GT500. Right, Rod?
Right.
All right. All right, guys, we're walking up to the new Shelby GT500. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1.
And here we go.
What is that? Wait. What is this?
That's not a Shelby.
Wait. This key doesn't. This key doesn't go to this, does it? Wait, hold on. Why do I have the key to a Raptor? What is it? What is going on? Wait, hold on, babe. What's going on here?
We got a new truck.
We got a new truck. Okay, she gave it away. Guys, this is a brand new 2019 Ford F-150 Raptor. Now, everyone's gonna write down in the comments, Kyle, why'd you get another Raptor? Why another Raptor? Because I just got out of warranty on mine, and it turns out that they offered me a killer trade-in offer, and this one was only a few bucks more to have a brand new truck with brand new warranty, brand new everything, the brand new live valve suspension, all the upgraded bells and whistles. It's the identical truck that I have, just in white. And to be honest with you guys, I kind of wanted to try something a little different. I live in Florida. The black truck's super hot. I like black cars, but this truck just looks menacing and beautiful in its avalanche Arctic white. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I'm super pumped. That being said, guys, there's a lot more coming to this channel. It's official. We're in the brand new Raptor. That's right, 2019. It's got 360 miles. It is brand fucking, it smells new. Baby, how's it smell?
I love the smell of a new car.
Oh my God, the smell of a new car. Oh my God, smell of a new car. Okay, so let's talk about why we got a new Raptor. I got an email, and so did my dad, that they offered us a crazy, they needed trucks because they're out of Raptors and they wanted to buy ours. So we called them up and they offered us this crazy deal. Guys, I basically traded in my old one for what I bought it for and got a new one for a few bucks more. And honestly, I think it's the smartest move because I had 62,000 miles and I do a lot of driving, and we're gonna be doing a lot of going cross country with the new car, which y'all will get another reveal this coming week. Wait, where are we getting off? How many miles?
Exit 9, 1.9, you make it right.
Jesus Christ, exit 9's right here, baby.
7B, sorry.
You said exit 9. We're gonna die. Sorry. she's giving me directions, and I don't know. That's right, I don't know where I'm going. Edit that. So, she's giving me directions. I don't know where I'm going. Okay, so anyway, long story short, guys, we ended up getting a 2019 Ford F-150 Raptor, identical to the other one. The only thing's different is this button is in a different place. That's a different sound system. It's got a few more things in here. The suspension's different. It got a speaker up there. It's got a couple things. The suspension's absolutely incredible. The ride on this truck is a lot more stiff, and the suspension feels good in this truck. I haven't really switched the modes yet. We will. We're getting better gas mileage. It's much quicker. The acceleration is just, oh my God, it's going. Oh my God, it's gone. Okay, so we're gonna slow down. So we don't want to ram this person with our brand new truck, but I'm really digging it. I'm really digging it. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. You know, I really gotta talk to you guys. This new car, we're going to look at it Monday. Baby, are you excited?
Yes.
How excited?
Super excited.
Like, how excited? Like, how crazy are people gonna go when they see this new car?
Everybody's gonna love it.
They're all gonna shoot their wads, right?
I guess, I don't know.
Y'all are gonna shoot your wads. It's gonna happen. You're gonna shoot wads everywhere. You're gonna blast it. It's just gonna be everywhere. Oh my God, I'm gonna need a cum rag for everything.
Are gonna be a horse.
Oh my God, my mom is like in heaven over this thing. So, stay tuned. New car reveal next week, hopefully. I'm talking to a couple companies about doing some crazy shit, so stay tuned, guys. I'm Black Widow Supra. I will catch you on the flip side. I will see you later. Peace out. Love you all. Fuck off. R.I.P. Turbo, my dudes. R.I.P. Turbo. Deuces.